We're going to spatchcock a chicken and throw it on a pit boss grill and smoke this little guy to perfection. I'm going to show you how to do it right now on the Smoke Show. You may ask, what is spatchcocking a chicken? Well, I happened to look it up because I was curious too. I've been hearing the term for a long time, but never really knew where it came from, right? So apparently it comes from Ireland, off the old cookbooks back in the 18th century, where they used to dispatch a bird and then remove its backbone and cook it flat. And apparently I can't do an Irish accent because this is more Scottish than that. So the spatchcock, we're going to start with this chicken breast side down and the bottom of the wings on the top side. And we're just going to simply go in the back side and cut straight up the backbone. You need a good sharp pair of scissors for this. And just go straight up the chicken. That's the hardest part. And that is a spatchcocked bird. Now we're going to marinate it on the inside by injecting this little marinade that I made. And then we're going to dry brine it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours before we set it on the grill. So I'm going to start by injecting it with this marinade that I made with a half a stick of butter, a couple of sprinkles of hickory smoked salt from Meat Church, a few shakes of Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of beef stock. So I'm going to take my little injector here and I'm going to go deep in the muscle tissue, put it in a couple of areas like that, and inject it in. Watch that skin plump up. Then any else that's remaining, I can just sprinkle it on top, because what I'm getting ready to do is a little bit of dry brine. So we'll use this as a binder. What I'm going to do is hit all of this with a little kosher salt and let this dry brine in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. 3 is good. And then we'll start the magic on the grill. There we go. Okay, we're about to put this on the grill. I took it out of the refrigerator after about 2.5 to 3 hours. Just rinsed it off in the sink and patted it dry. And now we're going to use some mayonnaise as a binder and spread this all over the chicken and then rub it down with honey bacon barbecue from Meat Church. And then we'll pop it on the grill. I got my venison burger and I've got my chicken. All we're going to do is smoke for 1 hour. I'm going to put the smoke tube on. We're going to smoke for 1 hour. Then when that's done, I'll pull my burger off to cook later. I'll leave my chicken on there and I'm going to increase the temperature on the grill to 225 degrees. I'm going to cook that until I reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees. Then I'm going to pull the chicken off the grill and increase the temperature to 350. And then once it's warmed up, put the chicken back on. This is to crisp the skin. It's going to be marvelous after this. And then we'll cook that to an internal temperature of 165, and then we'll be rocking and rolling. I have to start off with a wing, of course. So it's beautiful. Thanks, babe. Yeah, honey, you're beautiful. So's the chicken. It's perfect. Thanks, babe. How do you know when a chicken's good? Crispy skin, beautiful flavor. It's beautiful all the way throughout. That's it, folks. Spatchcock chicken. Enjoy.